Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm coming to you from my dining room today. I'm working on a couple of different projects. I have some outside projects going on, some inside. And this morning while everybody's still kind of waking up here, I decided I was going to work on what I had going on inside. Me. First things first, I had these, if you watch my hauls, you'll see these two breadboards. I have this one and this one. I took them both outside and used my random orbital and sanded them smooth. I mean, you can still see some of the choppy marks on there. Sanded it smooth, and then I used, on this one, I used Sweet Pickens oil wax. So there we go. And I put a good amount on there, wiped it all over, let it soak in, wiped it back a little bit. I think I'm just gonna get some jute and then a little piece of greenery so this can be sat somewhere. The shape of this I loved. This one, again, I sanded it down. You can still see, again, the cut marks in here. But I sanded this one down too. And then I took a mixture of water and this Waverly Wax Antique and then brushed it on there and wiped it off because this was just a really, like a lighter color, and it honestly doesn't go in anybody's decor the way it was, and as a cutting board it would have worked, but again, let's look at some jute and maybe a piece of greenery. I do need to seal this up though. I know that is a wax, but with watering it down I still want to use, I'll probably throw some hemp oil on here, and then that will be done. Another project I'm working on this morning is I bought these shutters, and if you watch my thrift hauls, you know I got these at the Pickers Paradise flea market, and they were all three attached together. So I took them all apart. You can't even tell really. I filled all the little holes. You can on this side a little bit in the light. I filled all the holes, sanded them back, and then you can see it on this one a little bit better because it's on the front. So what I did is I used straight Waverly Antique Wax and wiped it over all the spots where there were the marks. I can't even get a good glare on there. And then those are gonna get painted. I actually think I may leave one brown. I got these wreaths off of Amazon, and I may leave one brown and hang it on here, but these ones are gonna get painted. Probably a chippy milk paint, I'll be honest, because that's what I have out right here, and I'll show you what I'm doing in a minute. Another thing I picked up was, this has been a while, but it had a decal on the front, like paint. It actually wasn't a decal, it was paint. I think florals. And I sanded that off, and then I have a bar or step stool right over there that was green and had little flowers all over it, and I sanded that smooth as well. So this is gonna get the same color as this mirror that I'm working on. And the green one is going to be gray milk paint. So this and the mirror are going to be Sweet Pickens milk paint in Sweetie Jane. On the mirror, you notice I have it covered. This is an antique mirror. It is really, really old. It's got some gorgeous, amazing patina on it that you can't fix it. It is what it is, but it's also part of the charm of this mirror. And this frame is just pretty blah and boring. When I went to go wipe it today, I don't know if you can see how orange my paper towels ended up being. So I cleaned it up really good, and then I took it outside and I sprayed it with some Zinzer, oh my gosh, I can't even, Zinzer shellac. I sprayed that over the frame part to seal in all those tannins. I believe the orange is from the finish breaking down. So it'll hopefully seal all that in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mix up some milk paint and add that to my mirror and to this little piece. And then I'm gonna probably do that like in a fast mode. So you don't have to listen to me or my kids interrupting 6 times or anything like that. So I'm gonna get these both painted up with a Sweetie Jane, and let me get to that. So I just wanted to show you the finished piece. I didn't get the rest of it on video, but I let it dry. I went through, I sanded it, and you can see all the nice milk paint chippies that are coming across, and it kind of just really matches the whole patina of the mirror there. I really love how that turned out. I will have pictures posted at the end of this video. I also wanted to show you, reach over and grab it, the cute little planter. Look, the legs got super chippy. I did add a transfer, and I did not get that on video as well. My phone kept ringing off the hook, but it's super duper cute. I absolutely love how that turned out. And there's the one cutting board. I'm gonna get the other one done up here, and in just a minute I need to get it sealed still, and I don't have it sealed yet. So I just wanted to show you the few things that were complete. Stay tuned at the end here, and I'll post them for you. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time.